Hello and welcome to the Squaw Valley, site of capstone assignment number 1. The Squaw Valley area foresees a large threat to their annual snowfall in winter season due to impending global temperatures, all starting with an increase in early snowmelt and decrease in snowpack. As snow begins to melt earlier in the spring season, there will first be signs of flash flooding affecting small rivers and creeks in the surrounding Lake Tahoe area. Larger than usual runoff coming from the mountains as a result of the increase in snowmelt is only the beginning of what is to come. Over time, a decrease of snowpack can later result in a hydrological drought. When the snowpack depletes early, the later months in the season will see a drought because water supplies that are usually fed by the snowpack have already been depleted. This drought, combined with higher temperatures, can potentially lead to wildfires as a result of poor soil moisture and loss of vegetation, adding to the fuel for the fires. Following the fires, another agricultural drought can be expected going into the summer months due to dry soil. With the increase in global temperature, the Squaw Valley community will see a shortened snow/ski season, which would in turn result in huge economic loss for the area. This type of threat can also be seen in other ski towns alike. The solutions for this threat would be to develop an irrigation system capable of storing this excess runoff into later months.